Greetings. This is Adam Hernandez with the Reedley College Wildland Fire Training Program. This is the Wildland Fire Instructional Video Tool Series. Today we will cover the standard scrape and its similar counterparts by showing proper form and technique in use, as well as the basic elements of field sharpening. To begin, here we have a standard scrape. This tool is made up of a single cut piece of iron. This tool is primarily used for the removal of surface fuels in line construction. There are many variations in the construction of this tool. However, they all serve the same purpose. Here we have a bent. A bent is a shovel that is cut and folded over to mock the standard scrape. Lastly, we have a McLeod. A McLeod is a double-headed, single-component tool that consists of a raking side and a flat scrape side. This tool is primarily used in grassy fuels, where the flat scraping surface allows for more advantageous fuel removal. The raking edge is also beneficial in grassy fuel type. There exists a wide range and variation of scrapes due to varying fuel conditions. Each tool can be especially chosen and modified to fit preferences and needs, all to ensure efficiency in work. When not in use, the tool's sharp edges should be sheathed or taped. Here demonstrated is how to tape the scraping edge on the head of a tool to ensure safety in transport. Next, we will discuss 3 common, safe, and practical ways to carry the scrape. The first method being a 2-handed, neutral grip on opposite ends of the handle, holding the tool out front while keeping the scrape edge down and away from the body to ensure no accidental cutting. The second method is a single-handed grip on the handle, close to the tool head with the tool handle out in front, as well as the scraping edge face down and away from the body. The third method will also be a single-handed grip on the handle close to the tool head with a handle tucked behind you while being tight to your back and packed, also making sure to keep the scrape edge faced away from your body. If you are walking on the contour of a slope, you should carry the tool on the downhill side. In the event one should lose their footing on the slope, having the tool on the downhill side will promote the tool to move away from the firefighter as gravity takes the tool downhill. Next, we will discuss posturing and tool use by using field guides and demonstrations. Here we see the demonstrator in a bent, low position, maintaining adequate posture and performing deliberate swings. We will also see him maintain this posture while adding a new element of movement, creating the ideal line construction method of hit and go. The scrape's purpose is to remove the surface fuels and expose the bare mineral soil beneath, leaving a consistent, flat control line behind. You will want to avoid digging into the dirt, as this will expend unnecessary energy and will diminish line productivity. Be sure not to create a berm or piled accumulation of scraped material on the green side of the line. This berm has potential of being a receptive fuel bed for ember wash, convective, and radiant heat sources. Lastly, we will demonstrate one of the many ways to properly and efficiently field sharpen your scrape. This method involves a seated position with the tool head raised above and resting on one leg with the handle tucked below the opposite leg to secure the tool to create a stable platform for sharpening. Now we will cover how to sharpen the standard scrape. Using the scrape guide, we will sharpen consistently at a 45-degree angle across the whole scraping edge, making sure to use smooth and consistent strokes, opting to use the full length of the file. Files only cut in one direction, so make sure you are not dragging your file on the backstroke, as this can damage your file. The edge should be flat with no rounded edges. You can learn more detail about sharpening in our scrape sharpening video. Thanks for watching, and remember, iron sharpens iron.